I'd been to the Albrook Mall several times and had seen the bowling and the game room set up on the third floor. Heyo and her friend Carla had never been bowling, so I thought it'd be a good idea and fun to introduce them to the great game of 10-pin bowling. We had to go to the center of the mall and then take the escalator up to the entrance. When you enter, there's a large game room where you buy tokens and play just like in the US, and off to the left is where you pay for your bowling, get your shoes, and besides that, there's a small snack bar where you can purchase pizzas, sandwiches, and drink. Inside the bowling area, you can also find a pro shop. In pro shops, what they sell is balls, gloves, supplies for bowlers, and mostly it's for hardcore, dedicated bowlers that buy these items. This is a modern facility with 24 lanes and seating behind for eating snacks and just sitting around talking while the other people are up there bowling. The girls had never been bowling before, so naturally it took them a few turns to get the hang of it. But by the end of the night, they were both hitting a few spares and strikes, doing a great job. All in all, we had a great time bowling, laughing and meeting some new people on the other lanes. When we left, we exited out the back where there are lockers to rent and a view of the mall from the third floor. After bowling, we headed back to the hotel, changed our clothes, and went downstairs and had a couple of beers at the little bar and the lounge area that's there in the hotel lobby. Then the moment I dreaded. We went across the street to a karaoke bar. I had never pictured myself in a karaoke bar, but both the girls liked the idea, and as I found out, this was not their first time at all. For those people who have never been to a karaoke bar, there's a great sound system with a stage in the center. You send your choice of songs that you want to sing to an employee, and they find the music. When it's your turn, you come up and sing. There was a mixture of people from the hotel and locals, all fearlessly taking their turns singing away. After a few drinks, Carla was the first to go up from our group, did a great job, and had a lot of encouragement from Heyo. A little later, Heyo and Carla went up for a duet, Bringing Down the House. By the end of the night, the ladies, showing the effects of a few drinks, were sitting and singing Latin songs about strong women. Overall, many beers were drunk, songs sung, and dancing until late in the morning.